We are going to make a clove hitch. A clove hitch is a very useful hitch for attaching your line to a spar. So say for instance we have a spar here where we can slip over the end. A very quick way of making a clove hitch is to make an overhand loop and a second overhand loop. Place the second one on top of the first one. Place that over the top of our spar, and we pull tight, and we have our finished clove hitch. We see the two lines crossing in an X pattern there and the two ends emerging from the center, and that is our clove hitch. And that's nice for attaching our line when we can place the loop over the end of the spar. We'll say we cannot place our line over the end of the spar, or we have a loose bundle of twigs, or say I've got these bundles here, this bundle of rope, and I want to secure that. Well, I can't necessarily place a loop over the end of this mess, or if this was a hitching post with no end, I would have to go around. So I'm going to take my line around, and I have an X pattern here. I'm taking it around one more time, and I'm going to bring that in the center of my X here. And as I fare this down, again we have our X, our two lines emerging from the center, and that has secured that bundle for me. So that is our clove hitch.